Welcome back to Sailing Elane's next and last episode of our time in L'aber Wrac'h, France. We spend 2 more weeks here until our horizons finally open up, not necessarily in the form of a weather window, but in the form of a newfound opportunity to sail on.
Beside our fears are done. All the good times just begun. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
We were already into our 3rd week in L'aber Wrac'h, first because of weather, and now because of a nationwide lockdown in France making sailing forbidden on any level.
Hva står det der? Var det nederst, ikke sant? Ja.
Why do we have such a small pumpkin?
Det var tungt å bære. Ja.
We had to carry it all the way from the store, which was at least a kilometer and a half. And we had a whole bunch of other stuff to carry too, because we wanted to have snacks and candy for Halloween party tonight. Since no one's allowed to go anywhere from their house more than a kilometer, and it's definitely not allowed to have trick-or-treating. Good drawing, Nikolai.
Er det kanskje litt for lite? Er det litt for lite?
Previously on Sailing ELANE. Look at this. We have to report every single time we go outside. Kind of like you need a hall pass in high school.
Yeah.
Workout time for the E-team.
Jeg vet at alle lurer på hvorfor jeg har på hjelm.
Yeah. Why do you have a helmet on?
For jeg gjorde det farligste.
For du tok en 360.
You did a 360.
På en rampe.
It was
Alle
kind
lurer
of...
på hvorfor jeg har så stort hår.
Yeah.
Mamma sa jeg skulle ikke hår.
And because you don't want to cut it. So you use the hair
Det
dryer.
er fordi det er bare...
After we washed it for once this week. It's a beautiful place to run up and down. See the ocean behind us? We've stuck in our boat, except for 1 hour, so get as much exercise as we can. Let's do this. This is our 4th time, or 3rd. How are you feeling? Is it good to get those legs moving?
Yes.
Those butts firm? Feels really good. A few more times and then we have to get going a little farther because we only have an hour. Wait, we got the...
Oi. Oi. Look at the foot. Jeg skal gjøre 3 og 3. Ja. Oi.
I think I'm going to take a little break. Ooh, go Austin. Very good.
Ok, jeg kommer. Det går ikke an å ned.
Og det er jo bare en triceps-træning nesten.
Jeg treffer bare. Og da blir det helt skitten hos dere.
Ok, vi er klar for en til.
Ja.
Jag tror man börjar. Jag tror jag må börja.
We just got in from our running trip and look at this weather. There's a rainbow over there, storm clouds here, really blowing. Look at these waves. This is just by the dock. And we're like in the protected area here. Even inside the harbor. Look at that. The wind just makes howling noises. It's kind of scary sometimes.
Idag är det Halloween!
Backen dyker upp i något.
Ja.
Quickly. Mommy's proud of you. Do the next one. Wow. Very good, Ben. We are in L'aber Wrac'h. We've been here for 2 weeks. We will probably be here for another 2 weeks. We need to use our time wisely, and today I'm going to be polishing the inside of the cockpit. We haven't done this since we bought the boat, so this is about time, and we have a lot of time now, so why not? If we work hard now, we can relax later. I don't know if you could see the difference, but this used to be like gray and yellow stains. It's kind of satisfying to get it off. It's the only way to get off is scrubby gel coat rinse. That's gray and yellow, and this is whiter. This is good. Yay! We found our dog again. The boys have lovingly named him Hö. Han heter Hö. His name is Hö. I have no idea where that came from. But this guy, he like follows us on all of our trips. When we went training, he followed us up and down the hill.
kilde til fakta.
Markera. He's just marking his spot. Did you see how fast they're running? He was chasing a cat. I didn't get it on film. Stalker's cat. He was in his own yard and this guy goes in his yard and just chases after. Poor guy. He was excited about that though. Oh, did the cat go down in there? Are you serious? Stalker's cat. We gotta go. The store is gonna close. There he is. Oh, Biscay! Oh my gosh! You almost just got hit by the car. You silly Billy. We have a problem. Everyone thinks this dog is ours because he keeps following us. And then right now he just ran right in front of a car. He's a really distraught dog. This guy's going into everyone's yards and we don't know what to do. He's still following us in his own weird way. Hi. You gonna follow us? Don't go into the street. Okay, we're almost at the store. And the dog is still following us, and it looks like he's ours. We'll just go in the store and we'll lose him. What do you guys have to say to that? Nikolai wants him to come to the store with us. I don't think so. Okay, let's do this thing. I can't breathe with this thing on. Oh, it's crazy. Good job, Biscay. It's nice to get out for a walk in the beautiful, crisp November sunny weather. We decided to take the coastal route today. There's not many other routes we can take within a kilometer, but it is gorgeous here. I can imagine this would be filled with people in the summertime.
And then, to our great surprise, a catamaran came sailing in. How was that possible? France was in lockdown. Where did they sail from? Just after arrival, they came directly to our boat to greet us. A friendly couple from Oslo who had 3 young boys, just like us.
It's fun to be having some other friends to talk with and go on a trip with. Oh no, on Saturday. Yeah. Hi. Finally some friends with kids. Yay! Beautiful day. It's actually
6 kids.
6 guys, 6 boys.
Oh, wow.
And it's summer today. It's 18 degrees, so the kids are thinking of going swimming from the boat. So we'll see.
Yes.
But look at this. It's like paradise in France today. With the beach all to ourselves. Yay!
These people knew how to have fun, and even though there were strict restrictions, they weren't afraid to invite us on their boat for a swim. We were a little more nervous that we would get a fine, especially after 2 security guards eyed us from the harbor. But it all worked out.
Is it cold?
And just as quickly, they had left again. They applied for and were granted an exemption from the sailing ban that all of France had to follow. They also had a different sailing strategy than us. They would be sailing down the coast of France. This got us thinking. They didn't need a weather window for that, and even though it's a longer distance, we would have been much farther south by now if we hadn't waited on the weather to cross the Bay of Biscay. We decided that we weren't willing to wait anymore, and we applied for the sailing exemptions ourselves, based on our travel plans to be in the warmer climates for the winter. So now the waiting was more hopeful and predictable. And if we would have known what was awaiting us in exactly 1 year from now, we would have been a lot more cheerful. Here's a sneak peek.
Almost there. Almost there. We're gonna do it. Up above the clouds.
Oh!
Whoa!
I forgot a fish.
We're on our way into São Vicente to Mindelo for their civilization and gorgeous scenery.
Morning. To keep our spirits up a bit, we decided to take the boys on a field trip to the sand dunes. What are you making? Sandcastle. So tell me the rules of the game.
The rules of the game?
Yeah.
It's quite simple. We're gonna try to shoot down the piles of stones, and the closest one has less points, and the one farthest back has the most points.
Okay. Let's see you guys go.
And then the great day finally arrived.
That's where we're going to be sailing.
D-Day from L'aber Wrac'h after being there for about a month.
This is the beautiful nature of L'aber Wrac'h, and look at that sunrise.
We received our exemption from the sailing ban, so now we were free to sail southbound whenever we wanted to. Our hopes were high and we were ready to go. We were going to catch up with Sailing's Chiquita. It was nice to have some sailing companions leading the way.
We are clothed and ready to sail. You guys were excited? Yay, we're gonna finally leave L'aber Wrac'h and sail to Camaret.
Vi har et problem. Storseilfallet har surret seg rundt lampa. Vi skal heise Aksel opp i masta. Vi klarte det! Vi trenger å bli helt oppe i masta.
The choice to move slowly down the coast of France proved to be smart, given the strong autumn winds steadily blowing against us out in the Bay of Biscay. Not ideal for a long passage, and certainly not something we wanted to expose ourselves to. So, on to the next adventure, cruising down the coast of France on the Bay of Biscay. Stay tuned for our numerous short sails with our newfound friends on their catamaran Chiquita.